Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Michi Makes Up. I have Beautylish's Lucky Bag 2023 with me today. It just arrived. I opened up the box and didn't look inside the contents, so we'll definitely unbox it together, and I'll be seeing these items for the first time. In this year's Lucky Bag, we have this wrapping here, and the tag on the back every year talks a bit about the theme of the Lucky Bag. And this year, it says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. And in theme with that, we have on the wrapping here just various famous scenes around the world. There is Mount Fuji, the Golden Gate Bridge, Empire State Building, and the Sydney Opera House right here, which is cute. And then we have the largest outdoor sitting Buddha right here. So a lot of cute details. All right, let's get into the items. So I have the bubble bag on my lap. I'm just gonna reach in to grab random things. This is my third year opening the Beautylish Lucky Bag. The first year, according to you guys, not very lucky. Second year, lucky. And this year, let's see how it goes. Okay, we have some scrunchies from Kitsch. This is a cute color. There are 5 of them. And I do have short hair, but it actually can be pulled back into a little ponytail. So these will actually come handy, and I've actually been thinking about growing out my hair. So I have these for good use later on if that's the case. Then we have here a Wayne Goss Essential Eye Kohl Pencil. And this is in the shade Granite. So it looks like a classic black pencil. And that is fine by me because I don't believe I actually have a black kohl pencil. I don't. I have like ash, olive, brown, not black. So this will be handy as well. Oh. Sonia G brush, fan brush. This is from her Sky Face Set, and this is the Worker Fan. Well, I'm just excited to get any brushes, but a Sonia G brush, face brush, ecstatic. Let me see, let me take out my Worker Fan. This is my Worker Fan brush, and I use it very exclusively these days for bronzer, just like contouring around the face, here, hollows of the cheek, so I've got another now. This is from Rephr, which is a company that does hair products called Ghost Oil, Shine plus Smooth Frizz plus Weightless Hair Oil. Cool, I'm definitely gonna try this. I definitely have some frizziness here, so. Next we have from Holly Frog, it is a AHA acid wash. I'm not sure I'm going to actually use this because I have my Augustin's Batter face wash that I really enjoy, so I doubt I will be switching at this time. Might be using it as a backup, or perhaps putting it into a very near future giveaway. Oh, and then a Viseart Petit Fool Violetta. I was very curious about Violetta, and this is a continuation of Leela, or based on Leela's very popular feedback. They decided to come out with Violetta, and I gotta check out if I have some of these shades ready in my existing Viseart collection, but I'm thinking not. Let's take it out and look at it more closely. Oh, so gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm fairly certain I do not have these shades from Viseart. Wow, love this. Okay, so far, these two are my favorite. And then we have, predictably, from Good Molecules. This is Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I don't see myself using this either. It's formulated with camellia and sea buckhorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish. Because I've been using a serum from SUQQU that I've really enjoyed, so not looking to switch up my skincare routine at this time. Oh wow, from Tom Ford, this is the lip blush in 01 Neige. So if I remember this correctly, this is gorgeous, beautiful. I recall the one that had the gold sparkles or the gold specks in it. This one is silver. Very pretty. Okay. And then we have here, oh, that is so funny, from SUQQU. This is the Lotus collection from holiday of last year, so just 2022, and this is the Radiance highlighter. So SUQQU very kindly sent to me a PR of their holiday Lotus collection, but the one item they didn't have was the highlighter. But now I got the highlighter from my lucky bag. It just the timing, the fit, I can't believe it. Well, this is excellent. My collection is now complete. Okay, I'm down to the very, very last item here. So this looks like a Wayne Goss item. And it is his Luxury Eye Palette in Amber. If I remember correctly, Amber came out in 2022. And that's funny because in last year's lucky bag, I also got my first Wayne Goss palette, his first eyeshadow palette, and I really, really enjoy that. So I think I'm going to enjoy Amber as well. I'll definitely be keeping this to try out. Well, let me tally up all the items and come back with the totals to share with you guys. I tallied up all the retail prices of the items I got for my lucky bag. I paid $150 US for the lucky bag plus shipping on top of that. With the retail value all added together, it is $362. You let me know below if you think this is a lucky bag. When I compare to my previous 2 years lucky bags and the ones I've seen from other people's channels, I think this is one of the luckier ones. Namely, we've got some big ticket items here that I'm personally really excited about. So we'll first start with the Sonia G fan brush. Love her brushes. And then we have the beloved Petite Fool series in Violetta. This is one of the newer ones that I am just so looking forward to try. Then there's also the SUQQU Lotus collection highlighter. The timing is perfect because this is the only piece I was missing from the collection, so now I have it. And then we have the very luxurious Tom Ford Soleil Neige lip blush. Just mesmerizing. And the Wayne Goss Amber palette plus the Cold pencil liner. There are some items that I probably won't be using, namely the skincare items, but there's only 2 of them and the value's doesn't really add up to the total all that much. These scrunchies, these velvet scrunchies, cute touch. It's not bad to have a few other, hair ties and whatnot on hand. So I think this is one of the luckier bags. Those bigger ticket items are things that I think I would really enjoy. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you've also purchased a lucky bag, I want to hear from you guys. If you've received it already, what did you get? What were your favorite items? And if you want to watch my unboxings of past year lucky bags, I will have the playlist below. Thank you guys. See you very soon. Bye.